Good morning to all my dear students of class 6. I welcome you all to this again, a new class of English for class 6 of this week. Children, I am knowing this that you all have gone through the chapter very well and you have read it very nicely. So this time we are about to finish the chapter with the explanation. Apart from the explanation of this chapter, children, I will attach the answers of the questions given at the back. Plus, children, take a note of this thing that you should not write the exercises in your copies. The only thing you will write is the questions and answers in your copies. Alright, children. So, I am beginning with the explanation with firstly, we will do the recap of what we have seen in the chapter till now. As we were studying the chapter Tansen from the book A Pact with the Sun, in which I will complete the summary today, leaving no suspense behind, where the story says, the story is about the famous Indian musician children Tansen. He was the only child singer of his parent Mukandan Mishra. They lived in the village Behat near Gwalior. Tansen was a very naughty child, but he was very wise and talented. One day in the forest, when Swami Haridas with his followers was resting, Tansen tried to scare them with the roaring sound of a tiger. Then, children, afterwards, Tansen was being asked by his Swami Haridas to his father to please let Tansen learn music. And thus Tansen went with Swami Haridas for 10 years of training of music, where after that his father's last wish was for Tansen to meet Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior, where Tansen married Hussaini, who was at the court of Rani Rangini. And after that, children, when Tansen started learning music, he got noticed by Emperor Akbar, King Akbar, who insisted him to join his court. When Tansen joined Akbar's court, he soon became Akbar's favorite and one out of his 9 gems. Now, children, since Tansen got a lot of popularity, after this, people started getting jealous of Tansen and they started, creating conspiracies in which they asked Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, where they all knew that if Tansen will sing Rag Deepak very properly, he is going to burn into ashes, children. The remaining part of the story, the summary, actually is left with it that when Akbar asked Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, then Tansen said, please give me some time to prepare. And so after returning home, Tansen came up with an idea. Tansen told his wife that Rag Megh can also bring rain in the same time. So he prepared his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati to sing Rag Megh in the court. So this was the planning of Tansen, that courtiers were asking Akbar to insist Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, because everybody knew if Tansen is going to sing Rag Deepak, he is going to burn into ashes. Then when Tansen came back home, he thought of a new idea. He thought that he is going to prepare his daughter and her friend Rupvati to sing Rag Megh. Megha in itself signifies rain. So Rag Megh, if it is being sung properly, rains occur. Then the girls sang Rag Megh in the court when fire spread out near Tansen and the lamps were alighted as per the plan. Tansen's life was saved from the drops of the rain which fell down on him. After this incident, Tansen became very, very sick, children. Akbar, seeing all this and getting to know about the conspiracy, punished all the courtiers. Tansen recovered from his illness and people rejoiced and celebrated his recovery. So this is the story all about which is left. Now I am going to read the paragraphs and will give you the explanation, children. We saw last time that Tansen was asked by Akbar to sing Rag Deepak. Then Tansen, out of fear, could not say anything. And then he said, please give me some time to prepare. Whereas Tansen was knowing that if he is going to sing Rag Deepak, he will be burning into ashes. Now, then he had an idea. Please pay attention. Then he had an idea. If someone sings Rag Megh at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati could do it, Tansen said. Now these lines mean, children, then an idea struck Tansen's mind that if somebody could sing Rag Megh at the same time, Rag Megh, if sung correctly children, with all the knowledge, if Rag Megh is being sung correctly, Rag Megh is going to bring a lot of rain. And then he asked his daughter Saraswati and a friend Rupvati to do that. Next para. He taught the two girls to sing Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing. So this was the idea. Children, at any point of time when you see you are going to light the lamp, first lighting of the lamps take place, then only you are going to blow them out. So this was the plan in Tansen's mind. Tansen trained his daughter and her friend that you will only start Rag Megh when lamps will be lighted in the court. And lamps will be lighted on what condition? When Tansen is going to sing correctly Rag Deepak. So, next paragraph, children. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Tansen, when he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed with perspiration. They all were getting sweat. The leaves on the trees have dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, the birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. I'll repeat the last line. People cried out in terror. People got horrified. They got terrified and they were shouting in terror when they saw that flames got lighted from nowhere. Alright. Now the explanation. Here the word legend. Legend is being referred for Tansen. Legend. Legend means a person who is admired for his capabilities or abilities. So the word legend means a person who is admired for his abilities. Then children, as this paragraph says, Tansen went as per the plan. The whole town got gathered to listen to Tansen singing Rag Deepak. As he started singing, children, the air became hot, number 1. Number 2, the people started sweating. Number 3, the leaves of the tree dried on the ground. Birds died due to the heat and water started boiling. 5 symptoms were there. And people started crying in fear and the lamps were lit. So this was the situation when Tansen started singing Rag Deepak. At once, Saraswati and Rupvati began to sing Rag Megh. The sky clouded over the rain and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. He punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Tansen remained in Akbar's court as a singer till 1585 when he died. He composed several new ragas. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for different musicians. So children, in this last paragraph, the word rejoice means to feel happy. And the last paragraph says that Saraswati and Rupvati started singing Rag Megh as soon as the lamps were lit, because this was the instruction given by Tansen. The sky was immediately clouded and the showers of the rain began pouring down on the earth. Tansen was saved. After that incident, Tansen fell ill, and Akbar was feeling very sorry because of him. Tansen was in so much of pain. He punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen recovered children from illness, the whole city was full with joy and the whole city celebrated it. Tansen remained an Akbar's court singer till his death in 1585. And the last line, he composed so many new ragas. Now children, I will attack, after this the chapter is over. Children, now my humble request, you have to practice 2 drills. Number 1, reading the chapter nicely, loudly in front of a mirror. Number 2, you need to underline, those who have purchased the books, you need to underline the difficult words and write the meanings in front of them, which I have told you. As it is, words are also highlighted in the book also. So please underline the words and the meanings. The third thing you need to do is you need to complete the written work, which the answers of which I am going to attach with this video. And children, again I am reminding you, please write only the questions and answers in your copies. Exercises will be done only in the book. So that's all for today's class, children. The chapter is over. Hope you all have enjoyed the chapter and the chapter is understood by you all. So thank you, children, and have a very good day. Please complete your work timely, and the answers of exercises and questions and answers are attached with this video. Thank you and have a nice day.